In this video, we'll walk through how to use Playwright MCP Server with GitHub Copilot agent to capture and analyze network traffic from a website. By the end of the video, you'll know how to assess the network requests and decide if any further action is required. Alright, let's get into it. The Network tab shows all the requests a website makes, like loading pages, images, or calling APIs. It helps you see what's being sent and received, making it useful for debugging and performance checks. As testers, keeping an eye on network traffic helps us catch hidden bugs early and deliver a smoother, more stable user experience. Now, we'll look at how the Playwright MCP Server can help us analyze these errors. You can install and manage Playwright MCP Server directly from the extensions view in VS Code. In my case, I already have the Playwright and GitHub MCP servers installed, so they show up in this list. If you don't have it installed, just click the Browse icon. This takes you to the VS Code MCP page, where you can find and click on Install Playwright to install the server. You can start the server by selecting Start Server from the context menu. Now, time to put Playwright MCP to the test. Here's my prompt. Return all network requests for website learningexpressway.com since loading the page. Also provide a full raw list of network request URLs by breaking them down by type and size. If there are any errors, advise on possible causes and fixes. Write the results in a markdown file. Let's run this prompt. GitHub Copilot immediately began working on the task. It first identified the steps required to complete it. Next, it requested my permission to use the Playwright MCP server to navigate to the web page. Once I granted permission, it started working on the identified steps. It navigated to the site and collected the network traffic. It then started creating a markdown report analyzing the network requests. Let's take a look at the generated markdown file. This report provides a comprehensive breakdown of requests by type, including static assets and API calls. It also presents a performance analysis based on the findings, highlighting response code distribution, identifying potential issues, and providing actionable recommendations for optimization. You can see how the Playwright MCP server streamlines network traffic analysis and delivers valuable insights. Try it out with your websites and let me know how it goes. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content on Playwright MCP server and other AI-driven testing topics. Happy testing!